Hello everyone, my name is Jorge Lucero, and this is my transposer code. My code is meant to help musicians learning how to write music in different keys. The basic idea is to input the original key to the music you are learning to play, and then input the key you are transposing to. You will then receive an output showing the one-to-one correlation of notes between the two keys. There can be a multitude of reasons to need to transpose a piece of music from one key to another. Maybe you sing and the guitarist in the band is using a different tuning than from what you're singing. Or the music you're learning is just out of your vocal range, so you need to transpose it down a couple of steps for you to sing it. When transposing music, there's a direct correlation to how many half steps you need to transpose your notes between keys. But this only works from one major key to another major key, or minor key to minor key. While you can transpose from a major key to a minor key, that is more complicated and not taken into account here as it's less common, though this can be updated in the future. My code will take user input and reference the correct data to determine whether the user is referencing a major or minor key based on whether lowercase or uppercase letters are input in reference to the keys. So for example, if you want to compare two minor keys, say C minor and B flat minor, you could input a lowercase c and lowercase b flat, and you will get a readout indicating the notes correlating to both keys. So C becomes B flat, D becomes C, D sharp to C sharp, F to D sharp, and so on. If you want to compare major keys, you would then just make sure you use uppercase letters and reference to the keys you are comparing. So if you want to compare F sharp and B, you type in uppercase F sharp and uppercase B, and your readout will tell you that F sharp transposes to B, G sharp becomes C sharp, B flat becomes D sharp, all the way through the 8 notes of each scale. If by chance you include a typo, like a letter that doesn't correlate to a scale, like N or O, you'll get a readout letting you know you've input something wrong. Currently, you will get a readout if you compare a major scale to a minor scale. Technically, this will be incorrectly transposed. A future update is needed to be able to handle major to minor transpositions. Thank you for taking the time to check out my bit of code.